Evolution demands bold and decisive action. DMIC 65-axis vertical machining center compared to traditional bed structures. Lateral clear width reduced by approximately 30%. Compact structure means higher rigidity, represents higher precision. Key components of the machine have undergone multiple stress relief treatments, while ensuring lightweight design guarantees requirements for rigidity and precision. To optimize lateral directional longitudinal space occupancy, the front layout structure was optimized with a simpler structure, more efficient chip removal, improved space utilization. No, this is just the beginning. More inside. Through structural optimization, machining diameter up from 600 to 750, expanding the machining range, accommodating a wider variety of workpiece requirements. How was this achieved? The answer lies in our evolved AC axis. Compared to traditional orthogonal AC axis structures, we offset the AC axis by 100 millimeters through our self-developed high-end 5-axis CNC system with real-time RTC correction for naturally stable spatial accuracy, axis and E-backlash gearing, greater rigidity, better for heavy-duty cutting. Higher rigidity translates to higher spatial accuracy. AC axes adopt water-cooled servo motors, localized thermal deformation, more controllable. Offset design enhances 5-axis linkage. The system pre-calculates the offset when the AC axes rotate. XYZ axes require no large compensation, resulting in purer rotation, smoother linkage, faster dynamic response, higher contour accuracy, and superior surface finish. When C-axis centerline is positioned above A-axis, the cutting point is closer to all linear guideways. The ram extends downward less, more rigid, less error. Offset structure, better for deep cavities and long tools machining. Equipped with a high-torque mechanical backlash elimination system. Fully closed-loop AC rotary table. Multiple spindle options available. All components used in the machine tool are from well-known domestic companies. Equipped with a highly efficient intelligent tool magazine system. Compact and rational structure. Smooth and reliable operation. Big tool storage. Fast tool changes. Support multi-variety, high precision, high efficiency automated machining. All linear axes and the bed can add cooling units, mitigating the effects of environmental and machining on linear axis accuracy, ensuring machining precision. Evolution never ends. We run to answer the call of our time.